PA Country Joe, and we're back home in the kitchen with our winterberries, aka wintergreen and tea berry. Okay, I mentioned about making a tincture, so I figured this would be part 2. I'll show you how you want to make a tincture. These have already been rinsed in the sink to get all the dirt off. I'm going to put them out gently onto a little cutting board that I have. I'm going to take the wide part of my blade. I'm going to kind of crush the berries up. And then I'm just going to roughly chop everything up a little. Okay, now that we got that done, we're going to take everything. We got a clean mason jar. In our mason jar. The smell is just, oh, it smells like tea berry gum, old-fashioned Clark tea berry gum. Okay, so we got some rum. Like I said, you could use Everclear if you wanted to, or you could vodka if you wanted to, but from what I've seen, the old timers used to always use rum with this, so I'm going to make a rum tincture. Got some Bacardi here. Now, being that I have Crohn's, I don't really drink that much, so this bottle is probably from like 2 Christmases ago, but it's really good to have around for making tinctures, and when I use this, it's just basically a little sip here and there, so it's not actually like I'm trying to get drunk on it to affect my stomach. So just gonna go about 3/4 of the way up. You can fill it up if you want, but I don't think I'll ever use that much. So we're gonna cap it. We're going to take this and we're going to stick this in a cool, dark place in my closet. And we're going to let it go for about 2 weeks. And then in 2 weeks, I'll put another little video up and we'll show straining it and basically what it looks like. So check back and we'll do another video on this, and it might just save your ass. Take it easy. Over and out. PA Country Joe.